Today we are going to set up the WhatsApp chat log so that we can chat with anyone secretly. So maintain the privacy. So set up that we have to open WhatsApp, then select the chat which you want to log. So I am going to select the Mr. Y chat and click on top right corner, three dots. Then we have to select the log chat option which has been new introduced. So as soon as I click log chat, then we have to add our fingerprint. So I will click on continue and add my fingerprint, which is our lock screen. And after that, here we can see that the chat has been vanished completely. To access that, we have to go in all and scroll down so that we can see that the lock chat option. Now we are going to add additional security. Let's open the chat log settings and click on hide lock chats. And after that, now we are going to add our secret code to open secretly. So click on create secret code here. As soon as I click this button, I got the option to write my secret code. I can type anything like 1 2 3 4, or I can set up a type of a emoji also. So I am going to set up this emoji. Then I will click on next. Then again we have to confirm that. So let's confirm and click on done. Yeah, now it has been set up. Now the chat has been completely hidden. To open our chats, we have to click on top side search button and we have to type our secret code. So I am going to type my secret code. So here we can see the option lock to chats. If I click here, we can see our lock chats. Now let's see how the notification will look like when someone from lock message send message to us. Let's wait for the message. Yeah, I got new message. So this is how the notification look. We have to click that and enter our fingerprint, and we can open the chats and get chat. Also we can open from search box. Yeah, now we can chat here. So this is how the secret lock code work in WhatsApp for a particular chat. For more tips and tricks, please like, share and subscribe the channel so you won't miss the new updates and tricks and tips. Thank you.